Welcome to the Informative Living channel. If this content provides you value or you are new here, hit the subscribe button and click that little notification bell below. In this video, we are looking at the top 5 best places to live in Arizona, covering cost of living, education, amenities, and more. Here we go with number 5, Sedona. The smallest city on the list with a population of 10,300, Sedona is in Coconino and Yavapai counties in the northern Verde Valley region of the state. Famed for the stunning red sandstone formations that surround the city, such as Cathedral Rock, Sedona is mostly a tourist city. Sedona residents find the cost of living much higher than the national average. The median home cost is around $500,000, whereas renters are paying up to $1,300 per month, and the median income lands around $50,000 per year. Though most of the population is around retirement age, the unemployment is low. Sedona is home of the Verde Valley School, a boarding international baccalaureate high school with many international students. Sedona offers outdoor activities, hiking and mountain biking to swimming and camping. Considered by many to be a sacred place, people come to attain spiritual enlightenment, relax at one of the numerous spas, or stock up on alternative medicines. With plenty of art galleries and restaurants, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Number 4, Flagstaff. This small mountain city of about 75,000 is in Coconino County on the northern part of the state. Flagstaff has a thriving tourism industry stemming from its proximity to Grand Canyon National Park and other natural wonders, giving it the nickname City of Seven Wonders. The cost of living in Flagstaff is 17% higher than the national average, mismatching with the median income of $48,000. Homeowners pay around $351,000 on average, where renters pay $1,200 per month. Flagstaff has lots of old architecture that dates to when the city was a railroad station, atmospheric coffee shops, and bars catering to Flagstaff's large northern Arizona University population. Mount Eldon is where you can enjoy skiing, mountain biking, and hiking. The combination of nature, Route 66 landmarks, and a delightful downtown is one enticing package. Number 3, Tucson. Tucson is the second largest city in Arizona with a population of about 548,000 in the county of Pima. Tucson is home to a mix of cultures, fantastic restaurants, museums, and historic neighborhoods. The cost of living is much lower than the national average. Homeowners pay $155,000 on average, where renters are paying $800. The median income lands around $37,000, and the unemployment rate is higher than average, but decreasing due to recent job growth. Home to University of Arizona, which provides economic development and offers a sizable student population, there are lots of eclectic shops, great bars, and lively nightlife scene. Residents can enjoy the majestic natural sights that surround the city with Saguaro National Park and the Arizona Sonora Desert Museum. Number 2, Scottsdale. Known as the Beverly Hills of the desert, Scottsdale is a wealthy, upmarket place with loads of resorts, high-end hotels, and restaurants. Located in the eastern part of Maricopa County, this Old Town district has a population of 258,000 and welcomes tourists year-round. Homeowners pay $435,000 on average for their home, and renters pay more than $1,300 per month. The median income is around $72,000, and the cost of living is much higher than national average, but residents enjoy the benefits of the low crime rate and top-notch education. The tourism industry is Scottsdale's primary employer, attracting over 7.5 million visitors to the city, as it has the highest number of destination spas per capita of any city in the nation. There are plenty of outdoor sports, art galleries, and museums. Its historic downtown is legendary for the Fashion Square Mall, the largest in the state. There are souvenir shops, themed restaurants, and its nightlife and trendy cocktail bars makes it a lively place. Number 1, Phoenix. Phoenix, known as the Valley of the Sun, is in the Salt River Valley, a broad desert valley surrounded by mountains as high as 5,000 feet. With a population of about 1.6 million people, it is the economic, cultural, and political heart of Arizona. This capital city in Maricopa County is the largest city in the state and the 11th largest by population in the nation. Phoenix has grown phenomenally in the past 40 years into a full-scale urban center, making the cost of living considerably higher than the nation average. Homeowners pay $235,000 on average, where renters pay around $1,000 per month. Despite considerable growth, the median income is only around $43,000, where fewer residents have a degree and the public school district performs lower than national average. This desert city is blessed with warm weather and sunshine year-round. Phoenix has a thriving cultural scene with its numerous theaters and museums. Sports fans also feel at home due to the city's professional sports teams. There are over 200 golf courses and a wealth of amazing desert scenery surrounding the city. With loads of great Mexican food and fantastic restaurants, lively nightlife, the largest Southwest city has loads to check out. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to get updates on our next videos. Thank you for watching.